Okay, I'm just going to go through the answers to this third practice assessment then. First question, we get 15% extra in our jar of coffee this time. So we need to find 15% of 370. Percent means out of 100, so we're doing 15 divided by 100 times 370. Type that into our calculators. 15 divided by 100 times 370 is 55.5. That's how much extra we get. So then we add it on. 370 plus 55.5. And we get 425.5 grams. Remember, in the actual assessment, don't need any units, so just the number. Question 2, computer costs £290. As a student, you get 10% off. How much would the computer cost? So we're going to find 10% of 290. Percent means out of 100, so we're going to do 10 divided by 100 times 290. That's one you might be able to work out with that calculator. That would be 29, but you just do it the exact same way on your calculator. 10 divided by 100 times 290. And then this time, instead of adding on, we save that £29, so we're going to take it away. So the computer would cost us, computer would cost us nothing, excellent. 290 minus 29 is £261. Okay, question 3. 75 students sat an assessment, 1/4 of them failed. How many passed? Now I've done this as a really bad question, and it's going to work out as really awkward numbers. That's what happens when you try and do things quickly. So 1/4 of 75, this doesn't come out as a nice whole number. We're doing 75 divided by 4. That comes out at 18.75. Don't worry, this won't happen in your assessment. We're going to round that up to 19. So 19 of them failed. 75 take away the 19. Means that 56 passed. Okay. Average question. We want to find the average weight. We're going to start by adding up all our amounts. So 58, add 61, add 62, add 68, add 59. That comes out at 308. 5 people. So we're going to divide by 5, which is 61.6. Car hire question then. Remember again, units here. It's £27 each day for 6 days. So let's start by doing 27 times 6. It's 162. And then it's 6p per mile for 412 miles, so that's 6 pence is 0.06 of a pound. Times that by 412. We get £24.72. And then we need to add the two together. Which is 186.72. Laura wants to split 4,286 between her 7 grandchildren. If we're splitting something, we are dividing, so we're dividing by 7, so 4286 divided by 7, that comes out at 612.2857. 612. Hate the way that calculator disappears as soon as I start writing. 2857. We want to round this to the nearest penny, which is 2 decimal places. So I get £612. I've got a 285. That 5 pushes that 8 up to 9. So it's £612.29. Our recipe question. This time our recipe makes 20 muffins. We only want to make 5. 20 divided by 5 would be 4. So I need to divide everything by 4. I'm interested in the amount of butter. It's 120 grams of butter for the full lot. Divide that by 4. I get 30 grams. On to the graphical section then. How many giraffes are at the zoo? Giraffes are here. There are 4 giraffes at the zoo. Difference between the number of bears and the number of tigers. There are 11 tigers. There are 6 bears. 11 take away 6 gives us 5. In our trainer questions, the annual sales of Bebop. They're up here, 6.5. But it's in thousands, so it must be 6,500. Okay. As ever, any problems, please get in touch, let me know.